Okay, for those of you who are more comfortable, we're going to add some cool little features to our quiz. So this is how it will look in the end. What is 10 plus 10? 20. What is 20 divided by 10? Let's get it wrong on purpose. Okay, so you might have noticed there were some pauses in there for dramatic effect, and also we've added a score. So here is what we have to do to achieve that. First of all, we have to write at the top of the script, underneath the comment, but before the answer, import time. And this gives us the possibility to do things with time. So let's first add a pause in between each question. This is how we do it. Time.sleep brackets 1. This will put a 1 second pause in between these two questions. So let's see if it works. Let's save and run. What is 10 plus 10? 20. You got it right. What is 20 divided by 10? 2. You got it right. Did you notice the pause? Let's make it a little bit longer. 2 seconds. Let's run. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So in between this line and this line, there was a 2 second pause. And you can do even more fun things with it. Like, you could say, you got the answer, ... Then go to the next line, time.sleep, 1 second. Then print right. Let's have a look at how that works out. Save and run. Okay, save. So let's have a look here. What is 10 plus 10? 20. You got it right. So that builds a little bit of suspense, and you can do things like that. So your first task is to add some pauses, at least in between the questions. And if you want to do something like this, you can do. Do that now, please. So now that we've done that and added our pauses so it looks a little bit more elegant, let's let the user know what score they have. And to do this, we will create a variable called score at the beginning of the game and set it to 0. Now, let's have a look at our first answer. So the user is asked this question, what is 10 plus 10? If the answer is 20, it will say you got it right, and then we want to add 1 to the score. So to do that, we can say score equals score plus 1. So if they get it wrong, let's go down and say score equals score minus 1. And then we can tell the user their score. So after we have updated the score, let's say print your score so far is, then comma outside of the string and the name of the variable, which is score. And we can copy that and paste it here as well. So let's run that and see if it works. Don't forget to save. What is 10 plus 10? 20. You got it right. Your score so far is 1. What is 20 divided by 10? And you could use the same logic here in all of your questions. So your task is to add a score and update the user on their score after every question. Do that now, please.